Hey guys, today we are going to be making a necklace using Tagua seeds. For this project, you will need a drill, some Tagua seeds, some pliers, and some sort of necklace band. So these Tagua seeds come from our 250 gram bags, but they also come in 2 kilo bags as well. I'm using a necklace that's already pre-made. I've just taken this little fitting off using just a little flathead drill bit. So the Tagua seed I'm going to use, I've got lots of different colours here. I think I'm going to go for a nice pink one's quite vibrant. Oh, this is tricky to decide. I really like this white one. So using a wood drill bit, just going to carefully go through. So what I want to do is just go back through the other side. So now we have a nice clean hole. There we go. And so what we're going to do is we're going to thread our necklace straight through, like that. Here we go. And then next, we're just going to put our fitting back on. Then once we've got it right to the end, what we're going to do is we're just going to get our pliers. We're just going to push down on that fitting really tightly. Pop this on. Look at that. I'm quite proud of that. Looks nice. From the side you can see. Looks nice, simplistic design. But we could have gone for a pink or a blue. The choice is yours. And it's that simple to make a necklace. I love these seeds because they're so natural. They grow, they're actually known as vegetable ivory because they have the same properties as ivory and they're very similar to plastic. They actually look like plastic, but they're not. They're a seed. They grow naturally. They're even dyed naturally. They absorb the colours very well using natural eco-friendly dyes. And they're really easy to work with. You can make bracelets, necklaces, earrings out of these. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.